Hi and welcome to Python for Engineers. Today we're going to be talking about matplotlib. The standard way to use matplotlib is to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Matplotlib is a plotting library. It's got a lot of nice useful features to quickly make plots for data analysis. As you can see, I've went ahead and imported some data. This is the iris data set. Hopefully you're familiar with that from the previous lesson. And as you can see, we've just got data by sepal length, sepal width, and so on. Let's go ahead and plot some data using matplotlib. plt.plot. We can just do df.columns at 0. And there we have it, a nice little line plot. What's really cool is that we can do df.scatter, and we can give it 2 of the columns to plot against. 1. There we go. Oops. There we go. And if we wanted to get really fancy, we can color the points in the scatter plot by the species. So as you can see, 2 of the species are kind of intermingled. One of them is really well separated simply by these two, the sepal length and sepal width. We can also do a histogram, so that would be df.columns at 0. There we go. We got a nice little histogram just showing the distribution of sepal length. We can also do a 2D histogram. Very quickly as follows. And there you have it. This is sort of a little heat map of the distribution of sepal length and sepal width. So I want to go ahead and plot some iris data using altair instead of matplotlib.